While switching your Mobile Legends account to Facebook and keep getting this error, gaming environment error, temporarily unable to switch accounts, please get in touch with customer service for assistance. Then, follow only 2 advanced processes. So, let's get started. Allow Facebook to connect your Mobile Legend app. Open Facebook, tap Profile, tap Setting and Privacy. Tap Setting, scroll down, tap App and Website. Turn on Apps and Website setting from here. Solution 1. Rename your data folder from Mobile Legends. Open File Manager, tap File, tap Android, tap Data, tap View in the file, tap Account, tap Data, find out com.mobile.legend, tap and hold it. Rename it, just add an extra A. Solution 3. Tap and hold the app, tap App Info, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data. After this, you need to go to the Android folder and come to this same place. Now rename the folder again. Now remove the extra A. Now open your Mobile Legend app. Now switch your account to Facebook. There you are. Now still, if you have the same problem, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.